Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you fast? Fasting isn't just about skipping meals. It's a process that transforms your body in amazing ways. I'm Dr. Akila, and today I'm going to break down the fasting timeline step by step and explore how it works and why it's good for you, especially since my group and I are currently going through a 21-day fast. So with that being said, let's dive in. First, let's start 4 to 8 hours after your last meal. By now, your stomach is empty, food is gone, your blood sugar starts to drop a little because there's no new food coming in. Insulin, the hormone that handles sugar, slows down as well. Your body is winding down from digestion and getting ready for what's next. It's like hitting the pause button on eating. After 12 hours, digestion is totally done. Your body has absorbed all the nutrients from your last meal. Now, something awesome happens. Human growth hormones, or HGH, starts to rise. This hormone helps repair tissues and build muscle. Plus, your body gets a breakdown from working hard to digest food. It's like giving your system a little vacation. By 14 hours, your body shifts gears. The energy stored in your muscles called glycogen starts running low, so your body starts to burn fat instead. That's right, your body starts burning stored fat for fuel. HGH keeps going up, helping your body stay strong. This is when fasting really starts to change how your body runs. Now, at 16 hours, fat burning kicks into high gear. Insulin drops even more, and a chemical called norepinephrine rises. This boosts your energy and can make your mind feel sharp. If you fast before, have you ever noticed how you're more calm and laser focused while fasting? That's why your body is adapting, using fat as its main fuel. It's like flipping a switch for your body to run on sugar to running on fat. Now, after 18 hours, HGH climbs higher, and your body enters something called glyconeogenesis. Don't worry, it's just a fancy word. It means that your body makes glucose or sugar from things like fat and protein instead of carbohydrates. This keeps your energy steady, even without food. You're running on a backup system now, and it's working smoothly. After 24 hours, something incredible starts to happen. Autophagy. Think of it as your body's cleanup crew. It begins breaking down old, damaged cells and recycling them. Glycogen is almost gone, so your body releases ketones, another energy source from fat. This can lower inflammation and boost brain power. One day in and your body is already doing some serious house cleaning. By 48 hours, autophagy is in full swing. Your immune system gets a refresh as old cells are cleared out. Inflammation drops even more, which is great for your health. Ketones are flowing, keeping you energized. Fasting this long can feel like a reset. Your body's repairing itself from the inside out. After 72 hours, 3 full days, detoxification takes over. Your body is super efficient in flushing out toxins now. Autophagy and ketones are still hard at work, and you might feel lighter and clearer. It's like a deep clean for your whole system, boosting your ability to stay healthy and strong. So there you have it. Fasting is way more than just not eating. From burning fat and sharpening your mind to cleaning out junk and detoxifying your body. Simply put, fasting does some amazing things. Whether you fast for 12 hours or just 3 days, you're giving your body a chance to heal and recharge. Have you tried fasting? If so, how long did you go for? If not, why? Let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to hear all about it. This is Dr. Akila from the Healing Power Hour channel. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And I'll look forward to talking to you on my next video. Thanks for watching.